Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In the last video, we started our new basics of Python series and we understood about Python. We are going to see list in this video. But before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press notification bell so that you will get notification of our new videos. So let's start the video. In Python programming, list is created by placing all the items in a square bracket separated by commas. We can store different type of item like integer, string, float. List can also have another list as an item. This is called nested list. I will see one example of list. We will simply say li is equal to square bracket. This square bracket is treated as a list in Python. So let's add some items in this bracket. 3, 4, 5. And now we will simply print this list to see the output. So print of li. Save the program and we'll run that. See, our list has been printed on our terminal. I will see how to access item from the list. Say print li. Let's say I want to access 1, so I will simply pass 0 in bracket because indexing in a list starts from 0. So if you want to access any item of the list, you need to pass their index. I will pass li of 0. This will give me a 1 as output. See, 1 has been printed on our terminal. Similarly, if I want to access last element of the list, then I'll simply pass print li of -1. So it will give me a last element of our list. So let's run the program. See, 5 has been printed on our terminal. So this is how we can print or we can access our last element in list. Similarly, if you want to access 2-3 items at a time, you can do that as well. For doing that, we'll simply say print of li in square bracket. We need to pass the range of index. So if I want to access item from 0 to let's say 3, so this will give me a output like 1, 2, 3 because the last index, which is 3, is excluded from the list. List always exclude the last index and include the first index. So that's why list give first item which is present on 0th index and it exclude the 4 which is presented at 3rd index. So this is how range works in list. Similarly, if you want to access all the element of list, you will simply say li I'll pass 0 colon. This will give me all items in the list starting from 0. See, all the items after the 0 has been printed on our terminal. Similarly, if we want to access item before the index, so we can do that as well. Then simply say print of li and in square bracket we'll simply pass colon 3. So this will give us 1, 2, 3. As we know, list always exclude the last index. See, 1, 2, 3 has been printed on our terminal. So this is how list works. I will see how to change list pattern. I'll say li of let's say I want to change item 1 from 10, so I will simply say li of 0 is equal to 10, and I will simply print the li. This will change item 1 to 10. Save the program and run it. See, 1 has been replaced with 10. So this is how we can change the list item. Similarly, if I want to change last item of list, so I will say li of -1 is equal to 10. I will run the program. See, last item has been changed. We can change, we can change more than one item in a list by using range function. We will simply pass 0 colon 2. I want to change first two element with 10 comma 10, so I will pass 10 comma 10. This will change 1 2 as a 10 in a list. Let's see. First two item has been changed to 10. So this is how we can change the item list. Now we'll see how to add item using append and insert method. For that we need to use li.append method. Append method will append the item in list. We'll simply say li.append bracket will pass item 10 and simply print the list. See, 10 has been added in our list. So this is how we can add item in list. Similarly, if we want to add item at particular index, that time we will use insert method. For that we will simply use li dot insert, and in bracket we need to pass two parameters. One is index of the list where we want to add that element, and another one is item. So I will simply say 0 comma 10. I want to add 10 at 0th index. I will run the program. See, 10 has been added at 0th index. Now we'll see how to remove item from list. We will use remove method. Say li dot remove. I want to remove 2 from the list, so I will simply pass 2 inside bracket. I'll simply print our list to see the output, whether 2 has been removed or not, and save the program and run. See, 2 has been removed from our list. So this is how we can remove item from list. Now we will see how to sort item of list. For doing that, we need to use sort method of list. So all the elements are already sorted. So let's just add some item list. I'll simply say li.sort function. This will sort our list in ascending order. So let's just print the list. See, our list has been sorted in ascending order. Similarly, if I want to sort the list in descending order, I can do that as well. I just need to pass inside that sort function reverse is equal to true. So this will sort our list in descending order. And run the program. See, our list has been printed in descending order. So this is how we can sort the list